So how did we call over 150 pips in just 2 days? So in the past 2 days, we have called 2 trades in the Forex market, and those 2 trades in our VIP group have both hit our targets, giving us over 150 pips. And hey, 150 pips is a lot of profit because we have over 90% of traders who struggle to make just 50 pips a week in the Forex market, and 150 pips could be equivalent to thousands of dollars, depends on your lot sizes. So in this video, I'll be going over these trades so you may understand how we spotted the trades and the technical confirmations on them as well. I will also be showing you the breakdown analysis video that we did for our team a few days ago that explained everything about these trades and also the market movement and what we expected from the setups at the time. And hey, you may take this piece of advice from a guy with about 10 years of experience in the Forex market and hundreds of students mentored globally. So if you really want to succeed in the Forex market, the key in this case is to have a quality understanding of how the price moves and also a solid team by your side to guide you to become profitable. Because trying to figure it out on your own will only lead you into thousands of dollars in losses, and this could be avoidable. So before we get rolling, be sure to subscribe right now and also smash the bell icon so you do not miss out on any updates from us.
So you may see something like this on the H4 time frame. So price simply did something like this on the H4 time frame last week, and that is a very good place for us to get a retest. So we have the neckline, this very level. So this very place is a point of interest to this market. Likewise, we have a very good looking trend line to look out for. So price is already on the move for these shorts. We cannot do anything right now, so we need to wait. And if price comes all the way to this level, that would be a very good place to look out for some longs in these markets. So the H4 time frame looks very good. This is really what I'm looking for on the H4. I would love to see price complete this level down here, and then we may have some bullish activities in this market. So let's also break it down to the H1 to understand what price is doing. So this is the H1 charts. Let's set it up. So this is the H1 chart right here, and the first thing you will see here, price has been doing a bullish trend, right? So this has been a bullish trend on the H1 time frame. So based on this bullish trend, let's quickly understand it. We had a bearish trend. So this side of the screen, price has been making this bearish trend on the H1. Price has done something like this, something like this. So the neckline I explained on the H4, this is the same neckline right here. We can see how price has respected that level. So we can also see that this level here is a point of interest in these markets. So we had a downtrend. All this time we had a downtrend, and last week price finally broke this key level and went all the way bullish, right? Price broke it and then went all the way to the top, created a new high. So from this new high which has been created, we should look out for potential corrections. So from this new high which has been created, we should look out for potential corrections in these markets. So we are looking for something like this. We are looking at this low, and also we have this high. So price created this high. We had a double top from Friday. I believe some of us got on this trade. I also got on it. Price is giving us something like this. So price right now is over here, but I would love to see it come down to this very place here. So if we get price come down to this very spot, that would be a very good place for me to get some bullish trade, some longs, right? This is a very good spot to get some longs in this market. So we may have something like this happen on GU. I'm really looking forward to it. That is a very good place to get some longs on GU. Yes, so once again, this is pound USD, and this is the trade I was talking about earlier. So we're looking for longs from somewhere from this low. I explained this low. So as you can see here, price tested that very low, and we had very good longs happening from that very place. So this was our trade right here. We got in from this low as we discussed, and then price went all the way to our TP at this top. So from this level here to this high, we had about 800 pips in this trade. So this is a very good trade, and as you can see, everything we talked about from the session happened exactly as we needed it to do. So we needed to wait for price to come all the way to this level to confirm this trade, and price did just that. And when price got here, we had a good confirmation. We had some reversal candlestick confirmations. We had bullish engulfing right there with a lot of reversal candles. And after this confirmation, price respected this level, and then it went all the way to the top. So from this level to this high, we have very cool profit of 800 pips. So as you can see, these things work, and then I'll be showing you also the trade on EA that we also talked about. So the H1 chart, let's break it down in that direction also. So the H1, this is the H1 charts. Let's set it up. So from last week, we have a very simple trend we have been talking about on the H1 charts. This is the trend we've been following on the H1 since last week. So price did something like this, and we caught a lot of trades following this trend on the H1, right? So price created a new low, and then price finally came all the way to this level over here, right? We have this level here being tested. So on the H1, we have what looks like a downtrend, but keep in mind this very low lines with the H4 and the D1 level as well. So there's a lot of strong demand right at this very place. This very place holds a very strong demand. So there is potential for this to continue bullish. A lot of potentials for it to continue bullish. So we are looking forward to this to give us some potential longs to begin the week. So this is very simple trade. I believe this is one of the trade we may get in when when the market opens. And the first move here is we are looking for possible longs. We are looking for possible longs to begin the week, something like this. Not so crazy moves, but something like this is really possible. From this low all the way to this high, we have about 50 pips, and all the way to this level, we have about 100 pips, right? With EA trade, we're looking for a buy on EA as well, and this was one of the good trades we also talked about, and this also played out as we needed it to do. We're looking for buy from this level around this low here. We're looking for buy from this level right here, and we had our TP right to this very level. We had two TPs. The first TP was right here, and the second TP was right to this high. So as we can see in this case, price came all the way to the first TP. So we got very good entry from these double bottom confirmations, and then price gave us about 60 pips in this case here. So from this level to this TP1, we had 60 pips. So 60 pips with 100 pips on GU. That was how we started a week with over 150 pips on those two trades which hit our TPs.
So for the serious traders out there who are looking to really understand the Forex market, and also this includes those who are looking to get started in the Forex market the right way, be sure to check out the special Christmas sale we have going on our Forex mentorship program. We are giving out over 50% discount on our Forex Premium mentorship program. So check the link in the description for more details on that. Thanks.